You edit your videos for 24 hours or sometimes 48 hours. Quick question. What are you editing exactly? Is it Netflix movie or maybe Prime Video? They're basically common mistakes that content creators, especially growing ones, make when editing videos. Number one is you take too much time before editing your videos. Listen, I didn't say in editing your videos, I said before editing your videos. Taking too much time before editing your videos drains you. It zaps the energy you would have put in editing those videos quickly. The best time to edit your videos is immediately after creating the video. If not immediately after, just give it a couple of hours, but not a whole day or maybe 2 days before editing the video. You realize that when you do that, the excitement, the energy, the momentum you use in editing those videos will just be very minimal. Unlike when it would have unlike what it would have been like if you had just, jumped right into editing the videos right after you shot it or just a couple of hours after you've done that. So please, as a content creator, when editing your videos, don't take too much time. Just go right at it. Start editing your videos. Don't waste too much time. It is just not worth it. Number two is that you complicate the editing process. Editing videos is not rocket science, especially as a growing content creator. You're not John Uche or Mr. Beast. Maybe not yet. So why would you complicate the editing process? You realize that when you complicate the editing process, the video's vibe and energy is just somewhat, strange and minimal. You can edit smoothly, but don't make it so complicated. The most important thing is that what you're saying is passed across to your audience. That's just the most important thing in editing the videos. So, but when you add too many complicated things, when you've not even blown yet, I don't see the whole need for that. Just make sure you stick to the basic points of why you want to release that video to your audience. Number three is not using transitions well. Transitions are beautiful. When you see perfectly edited videos with beautiful transitions, oh my god, you would definitely love them. Short videos, not up to 15 minutes and thereabouts. Just it is so beautiful. So know how to use your transitions well. Don't put transitions everywhere in your videos. It's just going to make your videos so disorganized, disorderly, and everything. Just like, oh my god, my last video was just terrible. We're not giving up, we keep getting better every single time. Okay, so I realized that that was one of the mistakes I made in editing that video. The transitions were too much and it just didn't come off well when the video was out. It just didn't. Number four, believing you must be perfect before putting out your videos. Perfectionism is an illusion. Being perfect is it's beautiful, yeah, but my dear, you are a work in progress. You are aspiring to get better every single time. That is the mindset you should have as a creator, not perfectionism. No, it just makes you feel, or it gives this vibe of you being like AI or a robot when actually you're not. You're human and humans have flaws. Humans make mistakes. Not saying that you should make so many mistakes in your videos, but let it be relatable. Just edit videos to the best of your ability and to the best of your knowledge as you keep working on yourself. Don't just edit your videos and expect that it's just going to be perfect before I put it out. No, you're just drawing yourself back, you're limiting your growth, and you're not making yourself push out and aspire for better ways of creating content. Number five, but definitely not the least, is not watching your videos after editing. That is one mistake I know that a lot of people do. Because you've taken so much time editing the videos, you've invested a lot, you've put in your energy and everything. And then by the time you're through with editing the video, you're like, oh my god, let me just put it out there. No, my dear, that is not the best time to do that. Just take a breather, watch the video again, internalize it, let it speak to you. If after editing that video and you're watching it and you don't feel comfortable with yourself, I wouldn't say you shouldn't put it out. To just know that it might not do exactly as you'd expect. Trust me, I speak from experience. Okay, so that's basically 5 common mistakes content creators make in editing videos. So do tell me in the comment section, what common mistakes have you made when editing your videos and how did you improve on it? Hello, my name is Vera, and On this channel, I create videos on personal development, tutorials, and faith to help you become your best self. If you loved this video, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and tune in for more videos coming your way. Cheerios!